Good day and welcome to also a Bushcraft. Today I am going to show you how to easily make an everyday carry fire starter that is stored away inside your Victorinox corkscrew. You will just need cotton wool and a candle. Form the cotton wool inside the corkscrew. Light the candle and drop hot wax on both sides of the cotton wool. Once it is cooled down, it will remain secure in the corkscrew until you need to light a fire. To use your fire lighter, remove it from the corkscrew by untwisting it. Fluff the cotton wool to enable a flint and steel to set it alight. This is a very handy EDC fire starter for emergencies. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share and subscribe.